All right, just rode these elevators. Now we will ride the parking elevator. Check it out. Got a black simplex alarm. This one's also relay logic. Huh. Well, this one's a Northwestern. I don't think the other ones have the Northwestern label. Down to P1. No indicator on that side. That's a very confusing layout. There's parking level 6. Very exciting. And this has the same funky layout on this COP. Strange how it doesn't have an indicator on both sides. Guess they didn't want to pay the money. Maybe these were expensive back in the day.